Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover how to style interactive web fields from a Titan web project that are merged into a Titan document or signature project. For details on how to set up the web form and the document with the merged fields, please see the prior videos on those subjects. To give a quick review, I have put together a sample release form here where we will merge data from Salesforce in the form of the first name and last name of a contact, and then input fields from a web form in which the end user inputs the information prior to generating this document. As a quick review, to add an input web field from a web form into a document project, open Titan, log into your org.so, then go to Insert or Edit Interactive Field. To merge the data from a web project, select the Web option, choose your project, select the page, and then select the field to be merged from the web project onto the document. Insert it like so. I'll go ahead and remove this since we don't need it. Now let's take a look at the web form that we have put together. Again, this is the Titan web project. This is from which we will launch the document template that we just showed. When I preview this, you will see the contact first name and last name pulled in, populated from Salesforce. The user will fill in these fields and then generate the document. So let's see how that looks. Our contact is Jim Citizen. We will fill in as if we are the end user the web form, putting in our address. And when we generate the document, that document will be opened with data pulled both from Salesforce and from the web input form. And there we go. But what if we want to add some styling options to these input fields? To do that, we need to set their styling properties in the web form itself. So I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. On the web input fields that we are using to merge data into the template, street, city, state, or zip, go ahead and select the element, click on the gear, click on the interactivity setting, scroll down and find the DocGen settings, make sure that it is enabled, then click on the gear and you will be shown some styling options. From here, we can designate settings such as the width and the height of the input field. I'm going to leave that alone for the purposes of this demo. We can select the font. Let's say we want to change it to Times New Roman font. We can change the font size. Let's say we want to make it a little bigger, such as 32. We can set the font color. Let's make this a nice red color, like so. And we can set the interactive margins of the field on the document. Let's make those 10 on each side. Now if we go ahead and apply this, when we generate this document again, you will see those styling changes reflected. So let's go ahead and preview. Again, we will enter address information as if we are a user filling in this form. And now when we generate the document, you will see those styling updates applied to the street input field. Let's have a look. And now that the document is generated, you can see that the display font for the street field is Times New Roman. It is size 32. It has been made red, and we have enlarged the input field as indicated. And that is how it's done.